Hello guys, back again with another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about if the apps are not installing, how you can solve this problem in your device OnePlus Nord 2T. So if in this device you are having problem like your apps are not installed or you are having any issue regarding the installings of app, you can solve it by the method as I will show you. Before that, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the complete video and you will learn how you can solve the problem of app not installing in your device. Let's watch the video.